Hey guys, back for another video tonight. Now, this is the third video in the series, but we thought we'd go away from the hardware. We're going to do a bit of software, and tonight we're going to show you how we can use websites for education in any country in the world. Obviously, if you've got a slow connection, it might be a problem, but these websites I'm going to show you, they should be fine at, okay? So here we go. The first one, and the only one for tonight, I'm going to do one website or application per show or per video, and we'll go from there. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is a website and an application, of course. You can download it, apparently, but here, we'll go from there. This is called TypingClub, okay? This is to learn touch typing for your students for free, okay? No monies. You don't have to sign up or anything if you don't want to. But I'll scroll down for you just to give you a little go. It's really easy to use, and I'll show you how it works in a second, okay? Do you need an account? No, you do not need an account. But if you've got a Google Classroom, you might have used it before, or you might want to use it. And it's really, really easy to use. But all I'm saying to you guys that are on the restricted budgets, this might be a nice, easy one for you to use, okay? So we're going to get started. So I'm going to click on Get Started. Oh yeah, give me it. Ooh. Right, the first box here is a video. So I don't really want to do that, okay? But in the video, it tells you your F and your J key have got little nodules on, okay? Little bumps to tell you where they are. So watch the video with your students and see how you get on, okay? And they'll go, oh yeah, I wonder why that was there, okay? Or mine did, or do, should I say. So I'm going to go to lesson 2, and you can see how rubbish I really am at this, okay? Here we go. So we click on lesson 2. Are you sure? Yes, because I'm showing you what it does. So continue. Type the F key. So I've got all my fingers over the ones I need to. Okay, you ready? So we're going F. Lovely. J. Lovely. And space. Okay, so we'll do F, 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 J, J, J. J, F, 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 J. Ah, see what I mean? Oh, no, that's an F. J, 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 F, F, J, J, F, F, J, J, F, J, F, J, J, F, J, F. Great work. I should hope so. Now, as you can see, there are ads in this because it's the free version. If you go to apply for it, they go away. I'll do one more lot for you. Okay, so here we go. F space, F space. You're not allowed to look at the keys. Okay, J space, J space, F F space, F F space, J J F space, J J space, F J space, J F. Oh, done again. F space, F F space, J J. Great work. Okay, it's just a pity about the ads that we get on the screen. Okay, that's a real big pity. Shall I do the last bit for you? Go on then, listen. Now the idea of this is so you don't look at the keyboard, okay? This is a skill we've all lost, okay? A lot of us. So here we go. F, 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 J. Ah, I've done it wrong already. J, 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 J space. F, F space, J, J space. F, F, F space, J, J, J space. F, J space. F, J space, J, J, F space. F, F, J space. F, F, F space. Oh, wrong finger. J, J, J space. F, F, J space. J, J, F space. F, J, F, J space. F, 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 J. Boring, isn't it? J, 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 F space. F, F, J, J space. F, F space. J, J space. F, 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 F space. Ta-da! We got through it. Okay. The requirements of this are, as you can see, 80% accuracy and 3 words per minute. So you could use it down to like 7, 8 year olds, which I'll be trying in 2 weeks' time. All they need to do is 3 words per minute, and the goal is 10 words per minute. Now, I'm big, so I've got 99% accuracy, 99% real accuracy, and 23 words per minute. In theory. Now, as you go on with this course, you'll find it gets harder and harder and harder. Now, don't do what I did for my first step when using this, is just get them to do F and J, because they start cheating. Okay, get them to move on to the next lot of lessons, then it gets harder. Okay, it's harder. So anyway, that was TypingClub. It's a really, really good website to use if you want to teach your students touch typing. One now. Lovely. I'll see you next time for the full video in the series where we're going to go back and install our new desktop. But I just thought I'd get this one in there. I'll see you later. Bye bye.